Hi, my name is Beverly Charche. I'm the director of the ECE Lab School here at Shasta College. Welcome to our center.
I absolutely love this school. The emphasis of social constructivism is amazing. It has brought a lot of peace to my daughter's life, and she loves it just as much as I do. She just started this year. It's her first year. I'm also a Shasta College student finishing my degree. I'll be graduating in May, and I work here at the Early Childhood Education Program.
I've been working here at Shasta College for 15 years. I'm a preschool teacher and mentor teacher.
What I love about the ECE Lab Preschool is that my students from the college classroom can put to practice what they're learning right here at the Lab Preschool. Hands-on activities is where it's at.
Graduating from high school, I came to Shasta College and I lived in the dorms. And then 30 years ago, I got my degree in early childhood education, and now I'm a lead teacher at Shasta College Lab School. I also mentor the students in the teaching practices class.
I attended Shasta College in 1995, and I now work at Shasta Head Start. I've been a site supervisor for about 15 years, and I am also a part-time faculty here at Shasta College in the ECE department.
This is my 4th year having my children at the Shasta College Lab School, and what I love about this preschool is that the children are able to do what they're meant to do, and that is play.